How's it going, folks? Thought I'd post a little bit of a harvest clip for you guys. Guess what we're having for dinner? Chard! More of the perennial spinach. There's those two plants there. You've probably seen me post photos around the place, and we've got some rainbow chard or silver beet. The rainbow chard comes from that back bed there, and there's a couple of plants over the back there. I think there's a white, a yellow and a red. So this stuff here has been a bit of a saviour for us. Actually, the whole aquaponic system has been for the last 2 seasons. We've been eating out of all the chard, perennial silver beet or spinach. We've been eating that out of the, just drop it down there. We've been eating that out of the system pretty much, well, every second night. Oh, actually probably more than that. The last 3 nights in a row we've been having it. And the plants, they just keep on providing. They're just pumping out the growth. So most of our greens are coming from here at the moment. The Okinawan spinach we've been taking a fair bit of, and some of the lettuce I think may have polished off the last little lettuce over the back there for her lunch yesterday, so we'll start hooking into some other plants around the place. But yeah, I'm going to do a harvest clip sometime during the week out of the soil beds. We've had a couple of the chard from over there and the perennial leeks from there and there. We've been harvesting them, but other than that it's only been the odd cabbage and cauliflower we've been picking. Oh, and the carrots down the back there, they're pretty much all finished, and the snap peas as well. So this system here has been a bit of a saviour for us. I have noticed just as it's starting to warm up though, we're starting to get some mildew or fungal issues with the beetroot, so that'll move across into the perpetual spinach if we're not careful. Just saw a whole heap of dots on this leaf here. We haven't been eating a lot of the beetroot lately, mainly because we've been having warm meals. We like to use the leaves in cool meals. Just show you the little barrel system. Probably got a couple of leaves of the yellow beet or silver beet chard up the back we could nip off. And the pak choi started to flower. So anyway, I better get this back up into the house. We're having a sag halloumi with it. It's a Indian dish, it's a curry. It's basically, halloumi is a cheese from the Middle East if you're not familiar with it. You pan fry it and it goes a little bit brown on the outside. And then what we do is we'll just pour the sauce over the top. So all this stuff here will go in there. Probably use some korma paste and some coconut milk or cream. Actually, we might throw some pumpkin in there as well, and maybe some carrots. So we'll go up and grab a carrot on the way upstairs, hey? So just at the base of the back stairs here, just got the carrots where we've been pulling them out of one side. Some of them are doing really well, and some of them don't like drying out. Someone forgot to fill up a barrel, so this one here looks like a decent sized one, so we'll try and pull him out one-handed. It's a bit hard because I didn't thin these guys out too well, and the smaller carrots are jamming up against the larger ones, making them a bit hard to pull out. There's a decent sized one, a couple of small ones there. Might grab 2, hey, we'll grab this one over here. There we go. A couple of the nice reds, they almost look like the atomic reds. These are the ones that were the replacement for the carrots that were supposed to be the pusa black, or the purple carrots from India. So there we go, they'll go in with the chard, and we'll make up the halloumi sag, or sag halloumi. And that's what the curry looks like.
It's really hot.
It's really hot. Didn't put pumpkin in it. It's got lentils in it, the carrot, and tin of coconut cream, and I had to thicken it up with some raw cashew nuts that just turned into powder. It was a little bit too runny, and I think I've added too much in, but anyway, that's going over the top of some pan fried halloumi, and that's dinner. Cheers all.